up, Sky Squad? Welcome to my house. Come on in. Today we're putting together your mystery box. And if you ordered a mystery box, thank you so much. And if you didn't order a mystery box, that's okay. You can order one now at viennasky.com. I'm here to explain what they are and show you what goes into them. Let's go to my room. Welcome to my bedroom, where all the magic... Welcome to my bedroom. We're gonna be putting together said mystery box. So anyway, if you take a look around my room, yep, you can see I have a lot of stuff. So I had the idea with the help of you guys to create these mystery boxes. Each box will contain 5 items from my personal closet as well as my thrifted collection. Every single box is completely different, so it really is a mystery. I offer them in sizes small, medium, large, and each box comes with a free necklace, my merch, and a little signed card. In each box you can receive different shirts, bottoms, and accessories. It's gonna be really an assortment depending on how I'm feeling for each person. So I just spent some time picking out all the pieces that I want to put in these boxes, so I'm going to show you some of my favorite ones. First up, you can't go wrong with a thrifted college sweatshirt, especially a crew neck. If you've been spending time on TikTok recently, you know girls have been wearing these with tennis skirts or yoga pants like the Queen Emma Chamberlain and like this. This is going in the size large box. This t-shirt is for my personal collection. I wore it this day, and this is just like a cool vintage tee with a really cute graphic, and it has some glitter. And if you know me, you know I love the color green, so this is definitely one of my favorite pieces, but I think it's time to give it to one of you guys. This is going in the small box. I have a black tennis skirt from my personal collection and a brand new pair of flare jeans. Flare, like I said, with the yoga pants are very trendy at the moment. And next up, we got this shirt. This just describes me. And I bought this specifically for the mystery box. The most iconic piece that I've ever come across. And it's pretty baggy, so you can wear it as a dress with a belt. You can style it a bunch of different ways. You could tie it up, wear it with some jeans, wear it with a skater skirt. A skater skirt? What am I in middle school? I don't know why I just said skirts.
And your bandeau top and your denim jacket.
You know the vibes. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm gonna start working on these and then I'll report back to you guys. Yesterday I spent all day going through the pieces and now I've sort of organized them into small, medium, and large, and I am gonna add an extra large section because I did find a lot of good pieces that would fit in extra large. I went through my closet again and I wanted to share some of the personal items that I'm adding to the boxes so that you guys can see when I wore them. This sweatshirt is a very iconic TikTok piece. A lot of different creators have this piece and I wore it this day with Frankie. Next is a super soft pink crop sweatshirt, and I actually wore this when I danced on MTV, so if you've been around since then, you may have seen that. Then I have this piece. It's from ASOS and it's brand new. It has a tag still on it, but I just never get around to wearing it. So I think this will be much better in somebody else's closet. I have these Puma shorts that I wore one day in New York City, and they have detachable sides, so you could take these off and then they're just plain basketball shorts. With the little ruffles on the side, they're a very unique piece. This needs a little bit of ironing, but I did tie-dye it myself, so I think this would be cool to share with you guys. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday and I'm going thrifting to get some final pieces for the final mystery boxes. I restocked on my website, so I have 4 more to fulfill. Let's go. Peace out. See you at the thrift store. Okay, I got so much stuff. Ooh, my phone's ringing. It's in here somewhere. So I'm gonna do a quick haul of everything I got. Let's get started. This I honestly might keep for myself. I don't really know. It's this like vintage pajama set sort of, and it comes with like these little shorts that are so cute. And again, this is pajamas, but could totally be worn as a dress or just like a baggy t-shirt. It's this Tweety Bird nightgown. I got some accessories. I got this hat. I got just like a bunch of cool scarves that could be worn like in your hair or on your bag. This one gives me Scooby-Doo vibes. Comment below if you agree. I got this little cute silk like lingerie top. Again, would be really cool with the turtleneck or like a sweater underneath. I got a few vintage button downs. Like this is from the 70s. It has a very cool print on it, but it's still like a neutral piece. So if you want to start wearing statement pieces, but you're still kind of scared, this would definitely be a really good piece for that. Ooh, this is so cute. It is just an Adidas t-shirt. Not exactly sure when it's from. It's not super old, because I could tell by the tag, but it's very cute and the blue is very cute. Oh, okay, this might be my favorite. It is literally a Vera Bradley shirt, which I didn't even realize they made clothes. It has this really cute floral design on just like a white long sleeve tee. This seems very 70s inspired. I don't know if it was intentional or not, but that's the vibe I'm getting from this. Okay, I got this. It is a white denim dress. And I don't know, I feel like you're not supposed to wear white in the winter, but I love this dress. It's so cute. Like an all white little snow fit with like a white sweater, like a white puffy jacket, a little turtleneck. I love turtlenecks if you can't tell. Or even like a collared button down shirt underneath. I found my phone. I got this brown little sweater t-shirt type thing. This is definitely a good layering piece since it is like sweater material, but it's still short sleeves. Or if you're in a place that's not too hot, but it's also not too cold, this would be the piece for you. This is so cute. It's very Y2K. It's hot pink with the little bows. The bows are so cute. Just a little white polo. This is cool for layering. Same with this piece, but the black and white I think was pretty unique. I don't see stuff like this all the time. Had to pick up some Argyle. This is probably like the most trendiest pattern at the moment. It's very Pinterest inspired. Last but not least, we got a polo sweater. Okay, so that wraps up this little thrift haul. I'm gonna start organizing these pieces. I think I'm gonna post on my story that I'm gonna release more. This is so fun. This is honestly so fun. I got some poly mailers and I wrote like little notes and signed them. Okay, basically I've been steaming a bunch of stuff. Actually, let me turn this back on. I'm such a professional. Look at that steamer. It looks messy, but they're all in piles and it's very organized. Here's one of them. I like wrote down the name of the person and the size. Everyone gets a necklace, and this one got some accessories. Got some fun bags, some fun scarves, a little scrunchy action, a little Adidas. Today's the day that I ship the mystery boxes, and since I have a P.O. box, I go to the post office a lot, and the ladies know me there, but they're not gonna be happy today because I have a lot of packages. I'm hoping they all fit in this bag, and I know they're not going to. Look like first. Oh god, they're not gonna fit in here. Okay, that fit 4 of them. And this is like a pretty big bag. This is how many we have right now. This is ridiculous. Thank you guys so much for giving me the opportunity to do this and kind of style you guys while making it a fun little surprise.